Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add websites to favorites on Duckduckgo browser. How to add websites to favorites on Duckduckgo browser. The first thing you do is launch your Duckduckgo browser. I've launched mine, as you can see, and the next thing you do, you can see this option for add to favorites. Click on it, then write the name of the website you want to add. It's the easiest way to do it. Then you put in the URL. And then you can put the location as a bookmark if you like, or you can add another location here by clicking on this and choosing another location or folder. So let's go back. So add to favorites, you can see it here. Then it's a bookmark at the same time adding it to favorites. So, and that's it, you can see it here. So that's how to add to favorites. That's how to add websites to favorites in Duckduckgo. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.